We'll do a division using decimal notation. We're going to find the quotient 100.32 divided by 3.3. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to look at the divisor 3.3, and I'm going to move the decimal point one place to the right so that I can treat now this as a whole number 33 rather than as the decimal number 3.3. When I've made this move in the divisor, I need to make the same move in the dividend. So I'm going to move the decimal point here one place to the right, and that will place the decimal point in the quotient right here. Now I'm just going to proceed as if I were dividing by a whole number. 33 doesn't go into 1, it doesn't go into 10, it goes into 100 3 times. And 3 times 33 is 99. I'm really multiplying by 30. So I write 99. And I've got 2 zeros here under the decimal places. The former decimal places, only one is a decimal place now. Now when we subtract, we get 2, 3. I have to borrow to do the subtraction, and when I do that I get a 1 here. Now I look at 33 into 13. That goes 0 times, so the next digit in the quotient is a 0. And now I look at 33 into 132, and that looks like it will go 4 times. Let's try it and see. 4 times 33 is 132, and when I subtract I get 0, so we know that we're finished, and the quotient is 30.4.